Hi, John Morgan here.
There it is.
What's that? A message coming in over the wireless? We'll have food security in the midst of this global pandemic with a victory garden. If only there were one of those newfangled internet podcasts to help us keep growing.
One of the toughest years we ever faced as a nation. And the pandemic, the economic crisis.
A moment of realization that the things you thought you were protected from, the layers that you had in place, they wrote around, they customized their attack and wrote systems to infiltrate and destroy.
It's been 2 years since our last episode, and it's been a rough 2 years. That being said, it is time that we keep growing. Join us this winter on alternating Tuesdays as we continue the Keep Growing podcast. On those other Tuesdays, you can check out our live show at 5 p.m. Bob's Live on both Facebook and YouTube. So head on over to our website at bobsmarket.com, where you can find information on subscribing both to our podcast and also Bob's Live. See you this winter.